Good morning. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. This time around, we are to discuss a topic that says how to choose your career in life. How to choose a career in life is very simple. It's very simple to choose a career, but it's very difficult to choose a career. What do I mean? It's very simple when you think about it. It's simple. Yes, I want to choose. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a lawyer. I want to become a movie director. I want to become what? It's very easy. That is what you wish to become. That is what you wish to become. But we're talking about something that you would like to be in life that can give you the happiness you need and give you the financial reward that follows it. One thing is not about the financial reward, it's not about the happiness. There are a lot of people who are rich, who make money from what they do, but they are not happy at all. They die, they die, but they still made money. They work hard and they make money, but they are not happy. So one thing is choosing your career, choosing a particular career that can give you what you need, that can give you the fulfillment you need, that can give you a happy home, a happy man, a happy retiring age. At the end of the day, you try to retire well, you become happy, and you're on your own, you'll be like, oh, thank God I have done all these things, and if death comes, I'm happy to die. You know what I'm saying? At the time you can say, if you plan yourself well, you'll be happy, you've actualized, you've accomplished your dreams on earth, and like that. Anytime you come around, I'm ready, So I want to tell you this minute how to choose a particular career that can make you feel, that can make you happy, that can make you feel accomplished, that can make you feel fulfilled in your life, One thing is this. Number one, know that thing that you know how to do well. That thing you know how to do well, no matter what it is. If you know how to fabricate ions to make a particular kind of car, maybe in that miniature stage, in that kind of anyhow with it, or you know how to repair electronics, you know how to repair your television set on your own, even without going to school, even without nobody teaching you all that, you know all that already. That you can handle maybe your television gets spoiled, you can mount it where it is and open it and do magic in it, and it begins to work again. Or maybe your car is you are good at really how do I put it? You're good at really repairing cars. Maybe if something does happen somewhere and you be personal, like, so hello sir, yeah, this is what you're gonna do to this to make it wonderful. There's something you must know how to do. Like maybe you know how to write. Writing is a kind of habit to you. You write every minute of the day. You write anytime you want. Just writing, it's never difficult at all to you. When some persons are complaining or saying that, I don't know how to write this or write that, but you've written more than 5 novels in 1 month, it's like it's not hard at all for you to do. It's no more. It's nothing at all again. So when you have such things, when you know that thing that you can easily do without any difficulty, without any, just do it on your own. It's more like a hobby, That thing, number one is true. You try to harness it well. You try to, even within you be thinking, I don't need to become this. And then that thing that you know how to do well, you tell yourself, I don't know how to. I want to become. I don't want to become an author. I want to become a doctor. You tell yourself all that, and you think that is how it is. So you begin to further your academics towards becoming a doctor. And at the end of the day, it might be good. It might be frustrating, good though. But if you want to live a happy person, if you want, because there's nothing like doing what you are passionate about. You have passion for this, you have passion for writing, not just because some people say becoming a doctor is good. You become a doctor, you give you do all that and all that because a doctor, people give you respect and give your parents your respect because you were a doctor, a doctor's mother or doctor's father or stuff like that. Excuse me, life is more than that kind of name. Life is more than title like that. You know, there's nothing, because I know when you go into it, you can never be happy. You know, becoming happy is one of the things that can really guarantee you are happy, you're successful, you know, that you're succeeding in life. So what you need to do is pay more attention to that thing you know how to do, that is already in you, that is inborn, even without schooling, even without passing through one school or the other. You can do this. Give attention to that one. Don't ever forget it. It's important. You know, it has somewhere to take you tomorrow. The number two is this: don't follow what people say or what they think about you. Somebody who can tell you, hello, you speak well, you need to become an actor, you need to become a broadcaster, oh my God, you speak well, your English is so nurtured, you know, it's so lively. That is what they might tell you, but you know within you don't want to become a broadcaster, you don't want to become an actor, you don't want to become a public person, in as much as you know you speak well. It's a simple thing. Don't ever do what will think of you. They will tell you, oh my God, you are so funny, you need to become a comedian. Excuse me, you must not become a comedian because they see you as a funny type. They want to push you into a particular career that you go into and you will never be happy in it. So if you don't want to do it, if you don't like it, don't ever go into it. Despite what they say, despite everything they might tell you about how you look and how you act and how you do, don't go into it. Number three, try to get the ones that can pay you off. Money is good, but money is not a proud determinant of your career. But in as much as you're working, you need to take care of your challenges and all that. So whatever you do, and try to think and know how to make money from that, know how to make yourself living from that, so that you can be happy when you get home, when you get either a married man or a married woman. You can sustain yourself and make sure you are okay with what you are making from that thing you're doing. You know, because if you don't make any, if there's no financial reward, financial appreciation to that, you'll be disappointed and you'll not be living a happy life at the end of the day. When you are thinking of your career, think of a career. Okay, now you are young. What about when you get older? What about when you get like 50, 60? How will you survive? What would you have been surviving with by then? You know, so this is what you need to think of now. If you become a doctor, you don't just want to become a doctor because, okay, there are families who wanted their son to become a reverend father, because reverend fathers, they are called all respect. You know, when people see you on the road, oh, father, excuse me, it's not all about that. It's not all about that respect you're getting on the way. It's all about that fulfillment. That is why most people do some crazy things in that same particular profession. That is why you see crazy doctors, because they don't really want to become doctors. You see crazy doctors, you see crazy lawyers that even when he acts on the way, it's like, is this guy a lawyer or something? You know, so that is because maybe they were forced into that particular career, into that particular profession, and they are dangling from one point to the other, doing all they could do to make heaven, to make ends meet. Yes, let nobody force you to do what you don't want to do. Even if your father is your mother, they want you to be this, they want you to be that. Excuse me, do what you want to do. Do what that gives you happiness. Do what that makes you happy, that makes you feel fulfilled in that particular thing you wish to do. Then be ready to work hard in it. You know, taking a career is one thing, then working hard in that particular career is another thing. If you want to be known in that particular field, in that particular career that you have chosen, maybe you listen to us again, because I'm going to tell you what you need to do and how you need to work about it and do everything about it to make sure you stand out in that particular profession. Remember, if what I said is meaningful, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Please do subscribe. Then my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Bye.